The secret to unforgettable success. Transform your energy and your focus in your business. Good isn't good enough anymore. The aim is to be unforgettable. That's where the real magic, doing what you do, but with an impact that echoes. Move into the secrets of self-connection and influence, which puts the exceptional apart from the ordinary. After losing over $1 million in real estate and going bankrupt, I discovered the energy connections, going beyond personal success to become someone who influences and inspires and leads. That's the journey from good to great, from memorable to unforgettable. The energy connections pattern. They are like a dancer who owns the stage. Let your energy define your presence. It's not about the steps. It's about your passion that captivates. It makes your energy more memorable. Energy connections is where your focus shapes your impact. Make it intense and make it transformable. I've lived it. Energy connections patterns didn't just change my life. It redefined it. We're not here to be just good at what we do. We're here to be unforgettable. So take a look at our website, careyruff.com. Maybe we can assist you in your business and the talent the world needs. You embrace it, share it. Let's make a mark. Keep moving your energy differently. I'm Carey Ruff. Thank you for watching the video. And if you found some practical tools and tips shared that are useful for enhancing your life and boosting your business, we invite you to grow with a community of like-minded individuals and business owners and entrepreneurs. We're at careyruff.com. Together, we can move deeper and share more invaluable insights. So come and interact with our dedicated peers in our exclusive What's Up group, where we continue our discussion and our growth. We're committed to continuing this discussion and improving and making improvements and innovation. And we would love for you to be part of it for free. It's a space where we're asking questions and receiving support from fellow members who are just as eager as you to grow. So make sure that when you're there on careyruff.com, you claim your free energy connection complimentary gift. And it's a way of us showing you that we appreciate you and helping you energize your daily routine. So if you have any questions, feel free to just reach out to me directly through the website. We're here to help. The path to improvement is ongoing, and every step will build upon the last. We ensure that you're just not walking this business path alone. So visit careyruff.com to connect, to engage, and to grow with us. We are excited to see what we can do together as a group and what we can achieve. Thank you for your interest and trusting in my guidance. So We'll see you soon. See you on the site.